In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your splash shield on your Chevy Cruze. It's located underneath the vehicle towards the front. We're going to remove the bolts for the splash shield with a 7mm socket. Some of ours are rotted, so they're just going to fall out, and some of them are missing, but the rest of them are 7mm, so let's continue on. Again, our bolts are pretty crusty and rusty, so yours should come right out. Now we're going to remove these three. This isn't supposed to be a grommet, I don't believe. It should be a bolt. If you have a grommet, remove it. And lastly, this one, I'm going to use a trim tool to remove that. To remove the rest of the shield, it's hooked on here and also on the other side. But we have to take out this bolt, this grommet, there should be another grommet here, another bolt, and then the other hook is here. Using a 7mm socket, I'm going to move these bolts. Now I'm going to use my trim tool to remove this grommet. I'm going to pop out that center piece. And then the whole plastic grommet should come out. Do the same for this one if you have one. I'm going to remove this bolt on this side. And the same on the other side. Now that you have everything out, we're going to unhook it. Lastly, there's one more bolt here. Using the same socket, remove that. Now we're going to unhook it and remove it. Let's install our splash shield. To start, we're going to line up 2 hooks. And put them inside that rectangle on each side. Make sure it hooks in, and that'll hold it still for you. Make sure this piece is above this piece before installing your bolts. In order to get this center screw in, you got to push back on the bracket for the radiator. And screw it in. Now you can put your plastic grommets right here, and that'll hold it up the rest of the way. Do the same with this one. Now we're going to put our screws in. There's one on this side and one on the other side. Now put your screw here, and there's one on the other side as well. Now we're going to put our bolts in the back, or where they should be. I'm going to point out where they should be. Our frame is a little broken, so you're going to put your screws in every hole that you see on this edge, and make sure these engine splash shields are above it and fastened.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.